Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify account. Connecting your domain lets your Shopify store use a custom web address instead of the default Shopify URL. First, we go to our Shopify account. Once we are in Shopify, we click on Settings in the lower left part of the page. After entering the settings, we select Domains. Then, we click Connect Existing Domain. The system will prompt us to go to GoDaddy. Next, we log into our GoDaddy account and go to our domains. We choose the domain we want to use, copy the domain name, then paste it into the Shopify field. Click Next. We need to check our GoDaddy settings after this step. Now, let's go back to GoDaddy. Click DNS for the domain. In the DNS settings, click Add New Record. For the new record, select name. Enter the CNAME details. For the name, type www, and for the value, enter shops.myshopify.com. Leave the TTL as default, then click Save. Once saved, you will see the CNAME record added. Next, we add another new record. Set the type to A record. For the name, leave it blank or type I, and for the value, use your Shopify IP address. To get your IP address, go to your cPanel or domain host, copy your IP address, and paste it in the value field. After pasting the IP, click Save. The DNS will update and the records will be added successfully. Now, we go back to Shopify and connect automatically. Please note, it may take some time for the DNS to activate, usually up to an hour. Once the DNS settings are updated and verified, your store will be live on your custom domain.